welcome back to the channel to Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is December 6, 2025.
Yeah, we're going to do this one from inside the car because Sonny didn't want to go outside in the 33-degree weather.
I'm going to be out there later, so I'll just skip right now.
I can't say I blame her. So we got a fairly decent update for you this week. The fuel pumps have been installed since last week. Some of them are still in the boxes. You'll see that in the video, so kudos to those guys because this past week the weather was not friendly at all. We had snow, a lot of cold, a lot of wind, so
below freezing.
To get all those gas pumps installed was probably a pretty good feat. They've also got a blue tent over the area where the Buc-ee statue is going to be placed, and I don't know if that's because they're going to be placing the marble that goes around the statue there and they need to keep it out of the weather, or not real sure what's going on there, but you'll see in the video where the blue tent is over that area. They've also put a food trailer in the parking lot for the employees. They didn't call us for a mini donut trailer, but
that's okay. We're done for the year anyway.
Yeah. I'm sure work continues on the inside of the building. We're still waiting on that invite from the construction company to invite us in so we can show all you guys what's going on in there, but so far the phone hasn't rang, right, Sonia?
Yeah. Hasn't rang yet.
We better not hold our breath on that one.
No, it would be a nice gesture.
So last week we asked you guys to tell us in the comments how you watch your YouTube videos, what type of device, phone, tablet, computer, TV, and we got a lot of responses from you guys. We appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
Kind of a wide variety of way people watch, so there's not really any one, I don't think there's any one device that really stood out from the others. Also this week, we got a viewer leave a comment for us that they watched from Lake County, California. That user's name was Libra95932. I'd like to thank you for watching us from all the way out on the other coast. That takes over the top spot for the farthest away from here for someone that's watching our videos. Last week, we had someone from Utah, and Lake County, California tops that by a little bit, so we'd like to thank you all for watching. This week, let us know in the comments, have you ever been to a Buc-ee's before, or will the one they're building here in Huber Heights be the first one you've been to? If you have been to other Buc-ee's, how many have you been to, and which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We love to hear from you guys. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the North Fuel Pump Island. You can see the new gas pumps in place here. Also, you see some of them still in the cardboard boxes. Here's a look at both the North and South Fuel Pump Islands. You can see all the new gas pumps that have been put in place. This is the north side of the building where the Buc-ee statue will be located. You can see the area where the statue is going to be located is covered with a blue tarp or tent to keep that area protected from the weather. You can also see they're getting the ground prepped to pour some concrete over here on this side of the building. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see all the recent concrete work that's been completed. Over here on the north side, you can see where the Buc-ee statue is going to be located, covered with the blue tarp, and also the ground being prepared for some more concrete work. Around the back of the building, you see work continues on the loading dock, and they're also getting ready to pour some more concrete back here. Here's a look at the interchange from I-70 and State Route 235. See a light coating of snow covering the ground here. Here's the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. This is State Route 235.